shit tight, you can't fit in it. Only 2 seats, so you can't get in it. Unless you break some lean and roll a spliff in it. Let's drive the highway and just get a lift in it. Been in the dark, I just need light before I black out. I've been rolling dice with my life, pray I don't crap out. I've been trying to cut on my grass, wash my hands and take trash out. Cause I can't have snakes, rats, and that's in my trap house. I done crossed so many, feel like I'm but on the inside I think I'm a great guy. You broke my heart and you ain't even say bye. I just roll up a tray 5, I gotta stay high. Man, God and the devil in the same summer. Fell hell in the rain and the same thunder. Overcame all the pain that we came under. Getting riches and the fame with the same brothers.
Yeah, same brother, same color, pain, suffer long summer, big dope. Little suffer, hustling to help our mothers. Came up, then changed none. Kept to go, they changed on the shit. Got over same drama, never less the wait on. Big dopey, it tastes spicy. Ice my watch is pricey, big bread. Now these hoes like me can't go. That shit is trifling, mixed snack is what I'm wifing, can't cash. We fucking lapping at dope. I started capping, I smoke. The faster trapping emo. In love with violence and keeps a nigga grinding your hoe. Is always acting black hat. Like I do magic, my flow like automatic. They stole, shooting the faggots. I know it's kinda tragic, but bro, I just not had it. Yeah. Same brother, same color, pain, suffer long summer, big dope. Little suffer, hustling to help our mothers. Came up, then changed none. Kept to go, they changed on the shit. Got old, same drama, never less the pain on us.